Oh, I am Dark Maleficent and I have a mystery box.
Let's see, what are they now? Wow! Look at this green Hubba Bubba. It's so yummy.
Just 5 candies. Let's see my magic.
Wow.
What?
I want to eat some Hubba Bubba.
What are you doing, cat? I need to make magic. Sorry. What? One Pepsi? Where are the others?
You are a loser. Okay, let's eat all of them. 3, 2, 1, go! So delicious. So yummy.
But I don't have a ball. I have just one Pepsi.
Okay.
Okay, let's drink Pepsi.
Okay.
Now I have 4 Pepsi, all of mine.
What? But I don't have magic like you.
I am Maleficent. Let's see another magic. Oh, now I have a lot of candies and all of them mine.
Okay.
What? You cheat with magic. But Hulk has another magic.
Whoa.
Okay, let's see Hulk magic. Wow! I am so strong, Hulk.
You are so big now, Hulk. Wow, you are so strong now, Hulk.
Yes, I am very strong, and I will take all of your candies.
No.
Yes, yes, yes. All of them are mine now. Look at this delicious magnum, and I will eat now.
Hey, this is mine. You stole my ice cream back, Hulk.
Look at this milkshake ice cream. It looks so yummy.
Now you will see the real magic. Meow.
Now Maleficent is so angry and you will see real dark magic. Loser, Hulk. All of them are mine now and I will eat all of the all of them. Hubba Bubba is mine. Yeah.
Please don't take my Hubba Bubba.
I will take it. And I will eat this magic Hubba Bubba.
Whoa. Whoa. Wow. Amazing.
So delicious.
Bad Maleficenta, please give me my Hubba Bubba back. I want to eat my Hubba Bubba.
Okay, I am good Maleficent. You can eat it.
Oh, thank you, Maleficent. Thank you, thank you.
Okay.
I'm just kidding.
You made a big mistake, Maleficent. Now I will drink Monster Green and I will be back again. What is this, Maleficent?
What is this, Hulk? What are you doing now? Very scary.
Hey, Maleficent, do some magic. You are Maleficent. Save us, please. This is so scary.
Okay, Hulk, don't worry. I will drink Pepsi and Snake will go.
Three, two, one.
You made a big mistake. Now I will eat Maleficent and Hulk. Hey Snake, you can't do nothing to my family. Okay, Cat.
Okay.
Come here and let's see who is stronger, Cat or Snake. Okay, Snake, I'm coming. Meow.
Cat.
Oh, cat is winning.
Okay, Cat, you won. Please don't touch me. Meow.
Good job, my cat. You saved us from the snake.
Hey Maleficent, I'm very hungry now. Please give me some food.
Okay, this is your sugar. My sweetie cat. Please subscribe to our channel.
Please subscribe to our channel.